Occasionally you may be in a situation where you need to increase the overall price of your proposal. Well, instead of having to kind of squeeze it in here and there, make an awkward looking proposal, we actually have a built-in setting called the surcharge. I really like this feature. It helped my business a ton. So what I can do here is I'll put 30% in here to exacerbate the effect. Up here you can see my one-time price is $11,900. Now, reasons why you might want to use the surcharge. I like to talk about the three highs. A high maintenance customer, high risk project, or high demand business. For those three reasons and countless more, you may want to increase your prices. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, and you'll see it's 11,900 becomes 15,470. That's really important. The customer doesn't see this. This is completely behind the scenes. But it increased every single line item and every single upsell by that 30%. It's a great way to scale your prices up and down when you're in a busy season or for other reasons. But you don't have to change your base costs. You can just use that one setting to go up and down. Now, another thing that I'll quickly note is that you can also add discounts to surcharges. So you can see I have a 30% surcharge and a 10% discount. My price went down from 15,400, but I know I'm still 20% up. So another use case for this is maybe you want to leave room for negotiation, start up 30%, give a discount of 10, and everyone's happy. All right, well, that's the surcharge.